Hello everyone. We are standing in Gabura Union, one of the most climate vulnerable region near the Sundarbans. This region faces a rising sea level, cyclones, salinity intrusion and land degradation. In 2025, we initiated Mangroves for Life, a community-based mangrove restoration initiative using CBEMR method. Our total restored area is 1.29 hectares across two plots. Plot 1 0.54 hectares, restored through assisted natural regeneration with 2700 native mangrove seeds planted on 15 August 2025. Plot 2 0.75 hectares, restored on 21st September 2025 through natural regeneration and gap filling. More than 30 community members participated in each phase, over 60% women along with youth and indigenous participants. We installed fencing and signboard to ensure long-term protection. Our restoration strategy integrates ecological science with local knowledge. We selected a native species suitable for a low to mid-tidal salinity zone. This site now contributes to coastal protection, biodiversity recovery, climate resilience, women-led livelihoods opportunities, youth environmental leadership. This is not extremely imposed restoration, this is community-owned climate action. We are now seeking international partners, researchers and funders to scale mangroves for life across degraded coastal zone of the Sundarbans. Together, we can restore ecosystems, protect vulnerable communities and build climate resilience at landscape scale. Thank you.